Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin CA. In this tutorial I'm going to show us how to join the Huobi 8th anniversary promotion that gives you the ability to earn 88% APY on Huobi as a new sign up or as a new user of Huobi trading platform. So guys, without wasting much time, how to get started? You can see I got this message from Huobi on the 18th of this month. Today is 19th, yesterday. So you say earn 88% APY and win 88 USDT lucky draw now on the Huobi earn. Join now to earn. Terms and conditions apply. So guys, for those that doesn't have account with Huobi, I'm going to drop the link to sign up with Huobi so that you partake in this promotion. This is their 8 years anniversary as an exchanger. So they are doing a promo 88% APY on your staking. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please deem it free to subscribe to support us, and also check back, always share this video to your friends so that they will also partake and enjoy this promotion while it lasts. So guys, let's go straight to the course. So once you follow the link I'm going to drop to take you to Huobi, and once it take you to Huobi, it will show up where you put all your details to sign up. So once you sign up, you need to fund your Huobi account. So if you don't have, you can fund through cards for those that are eligible to fund through card in their countries. But if you can't, you can as well use P2P, or you can transfer money or crypto from other exchanges you are using already, like Binance and the rest of them, into your Huobi wallet. So how do you access this? Once you come to the home page, you click on more. We click on more. Under finance, you see where they say earn. They have a lot of options there, but you are interested in earn, click on earn. So once you click on earn, so once it loads up, you see what they are saying here. First timer. So 88% APY. 88% APY for featured. You can see it has ended. This promo started less than 24 hours. Has ended. They have finished buying the YGG. This one was open for everybody. Even this one was open for everybody, but it's finished now. So the one that is available now is for the first timers. Let's see if it's still available. You see, still available. So under 7 days, 88% USDT. Guys, this is awesome. 88% USDT. Shiba 88% for 7 days. You get 88% APY. Doge 88% APY. USDC 88%, BTC 88%, ETH 88%, NFT, AZI, DOT, Solana. You can see the list is on and on. Fill, BTT, Luna, ADA, TRS. So guys, this is amazing offer for anyone that is interested and I want to increase. What this implies is that you get 88% APY of any amount you deposit on this promo. So for those that don't want to, okay, maybe you are afraid of using crypto coin, you can leverage USDT because it's a fiat currency. You can leverage USDC, it's a fiat. So with that, you are not afraid of maybe the coin going to dip or going to, go below where you bought. So, but with USDT and USDC, your fund is always stable. So if you don't want to use Doge, you don't want to use SHIB, you can leverage on USDT and USDC. So guys, this promo is only for newcomers. Okay, let me show you. Now I have an account already, but if I click on deposit, you see the option. It said, note, these products are only available to new users who haven't deposited any token. So guys, if you have not registered or signed up with Huobi before, click this link I'm going to drop on the description box so that you sign up now and enjoy this offer. 88% offer. So that's how you're going to do it. So once you click on it, you see it now asks you to enter maximum, the amount you want to fund and all that. So you click on deposit and to reflect, and it will start running for 7 days. So guys, that is it for this total balance. You see my total balance yesterday earning. So this is how the whole thing works. I'm going to stop this video here so that you take action immediately if you want to enjoy this offer, this exclusive offer for the first timers. So if you have an old account, you see the one for the old account just ended. So but you can still leverage on Flexible. They have good offers on Flexible. 4% USDT, 5% SPA, and the rest of them. So you can use, these are N, you can use fix 55.88% and all that you can see. So if you want to stake, you can stake any of this for the existing users, but this is for the first timers alone. So guys, that is it for now. I'm going to stop this video here. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click the bell icon, click on subscribe, and also share this video to your friends so that they will take advantage of this promo while it lasts. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Bye for now.